Welcome to the Gold Mine Investing channel, where you will get a comprehensive guide and history to gold investing. We will delve into many essential topics that every new investor should know, pointing out the historical significance of gold. We will describe its chemical symbol as Au, from the Latin aurum, meaning shining dawn, to the use of gold as a currency. Gold does not corrode, and so it became a symbol of immortality and power in many ancient cultures. Gold is known chemically as Au. The symbol derived from the Latin aurum, meaning shining dawn, evokes images of immortality, power, and enduring value. From the royal tombs of ancient Egypt, where gold was considered the skin of gods, to the secure vaults of today, gold has captivated humanity for millennia. Its story is woven into the fabric of civilization, a testament to its enduring allure and status as a symbol of power. The word gold is itself steeped in history, derived from the Old Anglo-Saxon word giolu, meaning yellow. Its resistance to corrosion and unique radiance have made gold a symbol of immortality and brilliance throughout the ages. Gold's origins are as fascinating as its history. Unlike many other elements, gold is not primarily formed within the Earth's crust. Instead, it is believed to have originated from violent cosmic events such as supernovae and neutron star collisions that occurred billions of years ago. These cataclysmic events released immense amounts of energy, creating heavy elements including gold. Over time, these elements coalesced into asteroids that bombarded the early Earth, depositing gold and other precious metals deep within the planet's core. Geological processes such as volcanic eruptions and plate tectonics gradually brought some of this gold closer to the surface, where it could be discovered and mined by humans. The extraterrestrial origins of gold add to its mystique and allure. Holding a gold coin or bar is like holding a piece of the cosmos, a tangible connection to the vastness of space and the dramatic events that shaped our universe. Gold's unique properties have contributed significantly to its enduring value. It is one of the least reactive elements, meaning it does not easily corrode or tarnish. This resistance to chemical change ensures that gold retains its brilliance and beauty over centuries, making it a symbol of permanence and immortality. Furthermore, gold is highly malleable and ductile, allowing it to be easily shaped and formed into intricate designs. This property has made it a favored material for artisans and craftsmen throughout history, who have used it to create exquisite jewelry, ornaments, and works of art. Gold's conductivity also makes it valuable in various industrial applications, including electronics and dentistry. Its unique combination of physical and chemical properties makes it a versatile and indispensable material in both ancient and modern contexts. Throughout history, gold has been closely associated with power, wealth, and status. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans revered gold for its beauty and rarity. They used it to adorn their rulers, decorate their temples, and mint their coins. Gold became a sign of divine authority, earthly power, and social hierarchy. The pursuit of gold has driven exploration, trade, and conquest. The legendary El Dorado, a mythical city of gold, fueled European expeditions to the Americas in the 16th century. The California Gold Rush of 1849 drew hundreds of thousands of prospectors to the American West in search of fortune. Gold has been a catalyst for human ambition, greed, and innovation, shaping the course of history in profound ways. Even in the modern era, gold retains its status as a symbol of wealth and prestige. Central banks hold vast reserves of gold bullion as a store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainty. Gold jewelry remains a cherished possession for many, signifying love, commitment, and social standing. For investors, gold offers a unique combination of attributes that make it an attractive addition to a diversified portfolio. It is considered a safe haven asset, meaning its value tends to hold steady or even increase during times of economic turmoil or market volatility. There are several ways to invest in gold, each with its own advantages and considerations. Physical gold, such as bullion bars and coins, provides a tangible asset that investors can hold and store. Gold exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a convenient way to gain exposure to gold without the need for physical storage. So there you have it, a short introduction into the historical significance of gold. Be sure to subscribe to Gold Mine Investing for more content on investing in gold.